Travels with Wyss.
So why the Australian caravan industry really matters. Most Australians see caravans as holidays, a way to escape, a way to see the incredible country. But what if I told you that the Australian caravan industry is far more important than most people realise? This industry is worth billions of dollars and it supports tens of thousands of jobs. It keeps country towns alive, it creates trades, innovation, technology, and it gives Australians freedom. And after decades inside this industry, I can tell you this, the Australian caravan industry matters more now than ever. Look, I'm Wyss and I've spent decades designing, building, servicing and selling caravans, and I've seen firsthand what this industry does for Australia. This isn't just about caravans. This is about communities, jobs, tourism, manufacturing, and helping Australians experience parts of this country they may never otherwise see. The Australian caravan and camping industry generates billions of dollars into the Australian economy every year. Now look, think about it. Every caravan sold supports manufacturers, chassis builders, cabinet makers, electricians, plumbers, upholsterers, engineers, suspension companies, appliance suppliers, solar companies, battery manufacturers, tow vehicle industries, tourism operators, caravan parks, mechanics, tyre shops, fuel stations. Look, the list just goes on. And unlike many imported industries, huge amounts of this money stays right here in Australia. Many caravans are still designed and built locally, using Australian workers, Australian business, Australian families. And one of the greatest things caravanning does, well, it opens up this incredible country to ordinary Australians. Families can travel together, retirees can finally see the places they've dreamed about, young couples can explore Australia affordably, kids can experience real Australia instead of just screens and shopping centres. Without caravans, many Australians would never visit remote towns, inland Australia, regional coastlines, national parks, farming communities. And once travellers arrive, they spend money. They buy fuel, food, coffee, fishing gear, tours, more coffee, accommodation, repairs, supplies, and the money flows directly into regional Australia. And for many country town, caravanners are absolutely vital. Our country towns depend on it. And they drive through almost any regional centre in Australia and you'll see it. Caravanners keeping businesses alive. The local bakery, the small caravan park, the pub, the mechanic, the supermarket, the local markets. And in some towns, tourism from caravanning and camping is one of the major economic drivers, especially after droughts, flood, bushfires or difficult economic periods. When travellers keep moving through regional Australia, they keep regional Australia alive. And that matters enormously. We have skills, trade and employment, and a lot of people underestimate the skills involved in building modern caravans. Today's caravans combine electrical systems, solar technology, lithium batteries, the suspension, the engineering, the cabinetry, the plumbing, the electronics, composites, aerodynamics, off-road engineering. This industry creates real careers with tradespeople, designers, engineers, CAD operators, auto electricians, fabricators, service technicians, and importantly, apprenticeships. Young Australians learn practical skills that they can use, in a life for a lifetime. And in many ways, the caravan industry has become a blend of automotive technology, housing and construction, off-road engineering, and renewable energy systems. That's a very sophisticated industry. Australian innovation. Australia builds caravans for some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Corrugations, heat, dust, remote travel, long distances, shortages of water. Because of that, Australian manufacturers develop some of the most incredible advanced technologies. Things like independent suspension system, advanced chassis engineering, lithium power system, off-grid capability, water filtration systems, lightweight composite constructions, smart control systems, and anti-sway technology. Look, a lot of innovation comes directly from solving Australian problems, and that innovation improves safety, comfort, and reliability for travellers everywhere. So, why the local industry also needs to improve? Now, I believe this industry has got responsibility because when people spend huge amounts of money on caravans, expectations should be high. Rightly so. The industry should be continually improving. They need to look at their quality control, customer service, transparency, education, compliance, and safety. And I believe informed customers help drive better standards. And that's one of the reasons I started this channel. Look, not to attack the industry, but to help improve it. Because the industry is too important to Australia not to get it right. And many Australians, caravanning becomes more than travel. It becomes freedom. Freedom to slow down, freedom to reconnect with family, freedom to see Australia properly. And some of the best memories Australians will ever have will happen around the campfires, beside beaches in tiny country towns and on dusty outback roads. And behind all of that, an industry made up of thousands of hardworking Australians who are doing the designing, the building, the repairing, the supplying, and the innovating, but helping people create memories that last a lifetime. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the Australian industry should, do you think it gets enough recognition for what its contribution is to Australia? And what role has caravanning played in your life? Look, drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy honest, expert advice from caravans, travel, and Australian RV industry, please subscribe to the channel because, look, I've got a lot more to talk about and I need your help to keep it going.
Wyss.